Do you want to shoot this scene like this and nail a perfect focus even though you work with a very shallow depth of field? There is a trick that I will reveal in this video. I will also share 2 other easy camera movements for cinematic footage. You can shoot really amazing footage using only fixed angles on a tripod. So why do we need camera movements? What is the purpose and what do we want to achieve by moving the camera? There are a few reasons for this, and I would say that one important aspect is that we want to emphasize that the story takes place in a 3-dimensional space. You can also use the camera movements for editing, so if you plan your editing before you shoot the footage, you can do more powerful transitions and you will get a slicker edit. So I will present 3 easy camera movements for cinematic footage, and we will be working with a parallax effect and also with the depth in the scene. I shot this scene handheld with fixed manual focus, and it's difficult to stop right at the perfect focusing distance. So what I did was that I set the focus perfectly, and then I walked backwards away from the model, which in this case is my beautiful wife. Then I reversed the clip, so I'm going from a blurry image to a razor sharp focus. By sliding the camera on a towel or a magazine, you can easily make professional looking slides on a tight budget. I use this a lot for B-rolls in my camera reviews. You can of course combine the towel slider with the previous trick by sliding away from a razor sharp focus and then reverse the video. By having something in the foreground, you will create a depth in your scene. This will also make editing easier because you can start and end your scene with the subject in the foreground, and it's also easier to fade in from a solid black or white color. One more trick that isn't really a camera movement is that I very often in my cinematic footage shoot at a higher frame rate and then I slow it down to get much smoother movements. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, that makes all the difference for me and my channel. And if you're interested in this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe.